Welcome to this second video, where we will explore the evolution of the PV market and how strategic decisions have driven this growth. Did you know that solar energy is one of the fastest growing technologies in the world? Today we are going to dig into this aspect. If you are in the energy sector, the strategic decisions you make today can make a difference to the future of your business. Photovoltaics is not a new technology. It has evolved rapidly from its first use in the space industry to the rooftops of our homes and large solar plants. The history of the PV market has been marked by technological advances and energy policy changes. Early applications. The first commercial applications of solar energy were in the space industry during the 1950s and 1960s. Commercial expansion in the 2000s. Starting in the 2000s, with reduced manufacturing costs and supportive government policies, the massive expansion of solar energy began. Today, photovoltaics is one of the most accessible and widely used renewable energy sources, with growth in almost all regions of the world. Let's look at the main factors that have enabled this exponential growth. Cost reduction. Reduction in production costs, especially in solar modules and storage, has been one of the main drivers of growth. Government incentives. Many countries have offered incentives such as tax credits, feed-in tariffs, and compensation schemes to encourage the use of solar energy. Technological innovations. Improvements in module efficiency, the development of solar tracking systems, and innovations in storage have enabled solar energy to become more competitive. All these factors have made solar energy a viable option not only for large plants, but also for self-consumption in homes and businesses. The PV market has not only grown in volume, but has also evolved in terms of technology and business models. Let's take a look at some of the most relevant trends. Distributed generation. Residential and commercial self-consumption is gaining ground. Thanks to batteries, households can store their own solar energy. Penetration in emerging markets. Regions such as Latin America, Africa, and Asia are experiencing a boom in the installation of solar plants. These emerging markets represent great growth potential. Digitization and automation. The digitization of solar plants through IoT sensors and the implementation of artificial intelligence are enabling greater efficiency and more automated operation. The future of the PV market is bright, with new opportunities emerging all the time. Now that we know the trends, let's talk about how strategic decisions can make a difference in the success of a PV project. Market assessment. It is essential to analyze market conditions before investing in a solar project. Factors such as the regulatory framework, incentives, and energy demand are crucial. Business models. There are multiple business models, such as power purchase agreements, PPAs, which allow companies to secure long-term revenues. Financial optimization. Maximizing return on investment requires detailed analysis of operating costs, OpEx, and revenue forecasting over the life cycle of the project. Making informed strategic decisions is key to ensuring the financial and operational success of a solar project. As we have seen, the PV market is full of opportunities, but it also requires smart and strategic decisions to maximize its potential. If you are interested in learning more about how to navigate this market and make strategic decisions, contact me on LinkedIn. Remember, solar is not just a trend, it is the future of global energy.